The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hello?
Luca.
Hello?
Which barber you say to me?
Come along.
Come along.
Yes.
Tony, let me see. Let me see, Luca. Jesus. But no, Luca. They do your bad.
I'm normal. God deal me normal. God deal your father normal. God deal your mama normal. What is your name?
Normal. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a person with a type of hair design, you see me? And one of the reasons why I presented that video to you is because it's being talked about on social media, you see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, there's not much I'm going to say about the video. You see what I'm saying to you? But in my point of view, I think that each and every one have the right to decide the type of hair design that they want, and I think that each and every one have the right to live the life that they have the way how they want to live it. You understand me? So yeah, but anyways, you can let me know what to think about that video that I just presented to you, and I'm going to move on to another video. You see me? Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show how a man proposed to a female. You see me? And in my point of view, I think it is somewhat of a surprising proposal. You see me? I said to you, yeah, the way how this proposal had been done, it surprised me by just watching the video. You see me? I say, I'm not going to say anything more about the video that I'm about to present to you. And I'm just going to present the video to you, and then we'll talk a little bit more about it. And before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Danny, relax. Cause I don't like him doing nothing.
Driver.
Ricardo, nobody.
Driver. Keep your hands where I can see them. Four officer. Put up your hand, them. Passenger the front. Video everything, video everything. Passenger the back.
Come on.
Deborah, hope you have video everything now. I'm gonna know all of this one. Walk to the documents, driver. Walk to the vehicle documents. Pass them, babe. You see them? So the documents them there.
Just answer
Where is
the
the vehicle documents, driver? Them did in the bag right there, so. Them not in the glove con, you see them? Station you are going up. Force, documents, it's up to the documents at station you are going. Driver's license? I don't have nothing for me now. You don't have driver's license? No, I take them out, man. Driver's license? The driver's license. No, I take them out. What the fuck is your driver's license say? I don't even know what it say now. I don't know what it say. No, it's got it. Yeah, station in my phone. That's all you record. Yeah, right. But my other driver's license.
Pay for your wallet. Where's your wallet with your license? Sorry.
Danny, but when I go do the papers then, I ask if you do want something for me now. When I can't go station then, want something I ask if you do for me, please. Danny, want something, please. What? Danny, start now. Daniel. 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 Will you marry me, please? Daniel.
All right, finger. Okay. Well done, boy. I'm scared. Let's scare her.
So it is done.
Yeah. All right, let me see it. Let me see it. Okay. That's how you do it. That's how we do it. Let me see your face. I'm traumatized. Alright, shit, I would be too. I would be too. Erica, police friend them know. Why am I police friend of everybody ever seen? So sensible, you engaged. All right. Oh, look at her face. Oh my God.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, and are real. The first time I saw that video, I said to myself, what's going on here? You see me, like, why are these police officers being so hostile? You see me, I said to you, I mean, the person step out of the vehicle and they're like, let me see your hands and all these things. You see me, I say, and then asking for papers and so forth. And me, I say, but wait, what really and truly are going on, so? See me? So, me keep watching the video, and honestly, you see me, I was a bit upset about certain things that have been said in the video at the start of the video. You see me, I said to you, but when me keep watching the video, and when I saw that this whole thing is somewhat of a surprise proposal, I said to myself, nah man, it's done properly. You see me? It's done properly. You see me? In my point of view, I think that more than one persons who were in the vehicle that had been stopped by members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force knew about this whole surprise proposal, as I call it. You see me? I said to you, yeah, some persons might call it a marriage proposal, some persons might call it a wedding proposal. You see me? I said to you, yeah, the way how the man, you know, was really acting, and the man seems as if he was really nervous. Even me, I look on the person's face and I say, but this person, I look nervous. You see me? I said to you, and it turns out that this whole thing was just, it's just a thing that was planned. You see me? I said to you, alright, may I tell you the truth, this video caught me. You see me? The front part of the video caught me. It caught me off guard, because when I look at the video, I never realized that this whole thing was some form of a wedding proposal or a marriage proposal. You see me? The way how it had been done, I have to say big up and respect to the persons who were involved in this type of proposal. You see me? I said to you, yeah, more have to say big up and respect to those persons who are said to be members of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, who helped to make such a proposal memorable. You see me? I said to you, yeah, more I say big them up to you. So I say, me respect the way how they help to you know, give such memories to a couple. You see me? I said to you, you see, in my point of view, I think that the female who was the center of this type of proposal, I think that she'll be talking about this for years to come. You see me? I think so. Alright, viewers and subscribers, here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one, and until next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And my name Dancehall Skilla, you know. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.
me now. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.